What if the secret to better memory and a healthier brain was sitting in your kitchen right now? Scientists are discovering that certain fruits contain powerful nutrients that may help support brain function, improve memory, and protect brain cells while you sleep. And the best part? These fruits are natural, affordable, and easy to eat before bed. In today's video, you'll discover 3 powerful fruits that may help repair brain cells, support mental clarity, and boost memory overnight. Make sure to stay until the end, because the final fruit is one of the most powerful brain-supporting foods doctors recommend for aging adults. Why your brain needs support at night while you sleep. Your brain goes through an important recovery process. During deep sleep, the brain removes waste toxins, repairs damaged cells, strengthens memory connections, recharges brain function, but poor nutrition, stress, lack of sleep, and aging may interfere with this process. That's why eating brain-supporting foods before bed may help give your brain the nutrients it needs during nighttime recovery. Fruit number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often called one of the healthiest brain foods on earth. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants known as anthocyanins. These compounds may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major factors linked to memory decline. Some studies suggest blueberries may help support memory, focus, learning ability, brain communication. Blueberries may also improve blood flow to the brain, helping brain cells receive more oxygen and nutrients. And because they're naturally low in calories, they make an excellent nighttime snack. Best way to eat them: try eating a small bowl of fresh blueberries. Blueberries with yogurt. A blueberry smoothie without added sugar. Fruit number 2. Kiwi. Most people don't realize kiwi may actually help both the brain and sleep quality. Kiwi contains vitamin C, antioxidants, serotonin supporting nutrients. Good sleep is essential for memory and brain repair. Some research suggests kiwi may help improve sleep quality when eaten before bedtime. Better sleep allows the brain to recover more effectively overnight. Kiwi is also rich in antioxidants that may help protect brain cells from damage caused by aging. Best way to eat it: eat 1 or 2 fresh kiwis about 1 hour before bed. Many people find kiwi light, refreshing, and easy to digest at night. Fruit number 3. Avocado. This may surprise some people because avocado is technically a fruit. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats that support brain health. Your brain is made up largely of fat, and healthy fats are important for proper brain function. Avocados contain omega-style healthy fats, vitamin E, folate, potassium. These nutrients may help support memory, concentration, and healthy blood flow to the brain. Vitamin E is especially important because it may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage over time. Best way to eat it: try half an avocado before bed. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. Avocado blended into a smoothie. Bonus: brain boosting. Night habits. Eating healthy fruits helps, but nighttime habits matter too. 1. Avoid heavy sugary snacks before bed. Too much sugar late at night may interfere with sleep quality and brain recovery. 2. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration may affect concentration and memory. Drink enough water throughout the day. 3. Get enough sleep. The brain performs critical repair work during sleep. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. 4. Reduce screen time before bed. Bright screens may interfere with melatonin production and sleep quality. Poor sleep can negatively affect memory and focus. Warning about miracle claims: no single food can magically repair the brain overnight. But healthy foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats may support long-term brain health as part of a balanced lifestyle. Small daily habits can make a big difference over time. Outro. Call to action: your brain works hard every single day, and the foods you eat before bed may help support how well it repairs, recovers, and functions over time. Adding simple fruits like blueberries, kiwi, and avocado to your nighttime routine may help support memory, focus, and overall brain health naturally.